What up, YouTube? It's your boy, Ryker Buff 900, back with another one. All right, y'all. Finally got an upgraded seat. Listen, this has been long awaited, long needed. This is one of the most important things you can buy for your Ryker. Okay? A seat. And from stock seat, I got my wife rides with me 95% of the time. Comfort is key, not just for me. If my wife ain't comfortable, I'm not comfortable. Because I can't ride and be like, oh, well, she's just going to have to handle it. No. I want to ride. I want to go play. I want to go distance. I want to go take it further. And I cannot ride. I mean, don't get me wrong. That seat ain't comfortable for me. But it's even more uncomfortable for the passenger because that's like a diamond shape. My wife is let's say, hippie. You know, and she's very filled out back there. So her on that little diamond shaped seat, not good, not comfortable. So we haven't, I've taken shorter rides with her with me than longer rides because of that. And even my seat, that stock seat, is uncomfortable. That joint hurts. So I've been looking. They came out with seats, and I was looking at the ultimate seat, and I was like, I didn't want to buy it, and I didn't know how it felt. So last summer, I was with Team Spider, New York. Shout out to Lucci from Team Spider, New York. And also, my man, I'm not good with names, y'all. But, BRP Mike. Shout out to Mike. What up, Mike? My man, BRP Mike, has the Ultimate seat. He's installed those. So he had one of his bike, and another guy had one of his. So before I ran into BRP Mike at the meetup, seen a guy, and I asked him, yo, you mind if I sit on your bike, check out the seat? No pun intended. He was like, sure. And I sat down on that ultimate seat on the Ryker. It was amazing. I sat down, I was like, wow. I see why the seat costs what it costs. It felt, felt like I sat in a car. Honestly. I'm like, sure, I'll ride forever with this. If I had this seat, I'll ride forever. That's what I'm saying in my mind. Then the passenger seat is wide, it's square, it's wide. I'm like, this seat is wide. It's comfortable. I'm like, my main concern was looking at how wide that passenger seat was for my wife. I'm like, okay, this is wide. I'm like, look, baby. Convince her, cause she ain't want to get on the bike no more. Like, nah, we're gonna ride. We're gonna make it comfortable. And I showed her, she seen how big the seat was. Like, okay, it looks like it's comfortable, this, that, and other. I'm not mistaken, but I believe it's in the video, and I believe she had her sit on the seat too. But everybody that has it that I ran into so far, they love it. So it's winter time, can't ride right now. It's 23 degrees outside. I'm not riding. I live in New York. Perfect opportunity. And guess what? I went and caught mine. So I went on the Sling Mods, and I caught mine. We're going to unbox it now. Check it out. It just came, matter of fact. So I need to open it anyway to make sure it's all good. It's legit as far as not damaged. You know how these people, when you ship your stuff, these people don't care how they ship it. So I'm like, I want to go further. I do want to ride to Atlantic City. I want to go to Boston, Baltimore. I want to, go with all the events if I got to tow it. But when I get there, I'll be on it. I just want to be able to go further as I want to go. I want to go many events as I can go to. I don't care where they are. As long as I'm able to get there, I want to go there. Okay, what we got in the box here? Just some bubble wrap. But like they was trying to cover it up, right? But didn't do a good job. Yes, I did get the front rider and passenger backrest. Yes, I did. I need it. You know, a rider needs it, whether they got passenger or not. It's a stick, all black stitching. Oh, this one has a pouch. Oh, it comes with a pouch. Has a pocket pouch. I'm not gonna open it right now. When I go to install it, there's a front and a back pouch. This has a pouch in the front and the back. Oh, that's cool. I don't know if this is the passenger or the rider, but there's a pouch here. The pouch with a zipper. You know what? Let's do this. I need to check it, right? When I go open it up, I need to check it out. Let's bring it closer. Let's bring it closer. Okay. So this is look like it's the rider backrest. This pan is thick. Nice and thick. This is metal. Nice is all black. That's what I wanted. And I see it has a pouch. Like a little storage. Oh, okay. It has a storage pouch. If you put stuff in it. That's cool. You ride and get something quick close by you. You put that in, I'm assuming it goes, you hear that is? It has a flap here with Velcro. I believe it goes up under there. I'm gonna just put that on it now. Cause I'm gonna ride with it in and I can ride without it. Came with it, I'm gonna use it. That's what you pay for, right? And put that on here. Right in the middle like that. And then this piece locks on there. Oh, okay. Then you pull the flap back down. Okay. And it covers the zipper part. Oh, that's cool. You won't even notice it. Look at that. So you got your back seat on. And you got a little pouch. Throw something in there. Easy pass or something small. And you always have it with you. That's cool. Has a knob here. I'm assuming that's the adjustment knob. That's cool. Nice and thick for the rider. Like I said, I had a seat before. And I end up, what I did, I gave it to a friend. I had a seat, I gave it to a friend. Because I knew I was getting this here seat. So I said, you know what? I passed it on. I gave it to a friend of mine because he needed one. Cause he had a Ryker before and he had an accident, so he needed some new stuff. So I was like, yeah, I got this. I got a spare. I got this I don't use. You can take this. You know, one hand wash the other. Look out for each other. You know what I mean? You never know. What if it's a friend of yours? There you go. Right? So that's the rider seat. Sit back rest, I guess. Yes. Here's the passenger backrest. Same exact style, same size, nice and wide. If I sit this behind me, I'll sit down. It's on the lower back. Come up to like the middle. I guess it's pretty good. I wish they came bigger like on the F3, but I guess that's good enough. I'm not gonna take the plastic off of that. Would you see it? Nice and thick. Made just like the other one. But this plate just slides in under the seat. I'm going to show it to you. These backrests don't come with it. Those options. They $250 each, y'all. $250 each. Yes. This seat, man, this seat is huge. And where how big this seat is. Wow. Oh, this seat is huge. Yes. And look bigger in here than I seen on somebody else's bike. And got the gray. That's what I wanted. Cause my bike is all black with this Can-Am in this metallic. This Ultimate here in gray. That was perfect. That's the which says Can-Am on my bike. Ultimate in gray. This is thick. And you got handles. Okay, here's the flat. Oh man. This thing is huge. Look at the seat. Yes. So you got this here, you got a slot right here. Where the passenger. So it'll be like that. Okay. And then you got the handles to hold on to. And then you got this one for here. And this fits. Okay. And you have two positions. You have mid-rider that come like the stock size, or you can get the seat where it's the shorter end for short. If you're a shorter person, yeah, I'm short, but I was like, no, let me keep the mid-rider. I wasn't sure if when you get the shorter ride, does it give more room for the passenger in the back, or they just shorten the seat. But I got this one, and this is huge, and this looks so freaking comfortable. Now I gotta try it out. Yeah, you know what I'm doing, right? Yeah, I see it. Sit on that seat. Man, whew, that's comfortable. And this is the regular rider? Why it seem like this is comfortable? This is very comfortable. This seat is huge. These handles are solid. The back, look at the stitching on here. I don't know what, I'm assuming that's to hold the seat. There's a hole here. I guess when you run the passenger backrest in, you screw it in, and that'll hold it in there. And the seat, to hold the seat itself, I believe it's this hole. Cause I don't see no other hole. So I'm assuming when you sit it down, I don't want to show holes. It fits in. Okay, yeah. There's a hole here. So once you sit the bike down, you screw it up under here, and you run the screw in through the max mount, and there you go. And these can come off. So if these are my wife, if they're in her way, as far as her thighs, then we'll. Let me see something. I can sit down. Okay. No, they shouldn't. Nah, they shouldn't be in her way. It was much more comfortable for the seat. Plenty room. Plenty room. And this is thick. Yes. It's like a metallic. I thought it was gray. Like it looks gray, but then it looks black. Yeah. Nice and thick. Then, look like I got ending box. It must have been just for support under the seat. That was support. And then you got your hardware. So that's the ultimate seat, y'all. This seat is $624. You hear that? $624. So it got to be comfortable. That's how I feel. But 620, I think this is the most. I ain't never bought a bike seat. I ain't gonna say it's the most I spent on the bike, cause it ain't. But for $624, it better be good. And the other thing is, honestly, The other thing is, the factory seat is already dry rotting. Starting to dry rot already. And like I said, I don't ride that bike often. I haven't ridden it often at all. I might have just made 3,000 miles, if that. But that seat does hurt my butt too. And I was like, I wasn't going another season riding with that factory seat. And then it's starting to rot out, like dry rot, like a car tire. You know, I need something with comfort. I want to get on. Well, I've been on the highway, but I want to go further. And you need comfort. That comes first. Like I said, my wife and I, we have a good time. You know, we've been riding bikes since we met. Because I was riding bikes when she met me. And if she's not comfortable, I'm not comfortable. My wife has to be comfortable. There's no way I could be riding, enjoying myself, and knowing she's not comfortable. There's one time we went home. We was out for the day. We was having a good time too. And I asked her how she feels. She said her butt started hurting a little bit. We stopped a couple of times, but then she said, "No, I'm good." I'm like, "No, you sure?" She said, "Yeah, I'm good." Butt started still hurting. It wouldn't sit with me. I said, "Nah, we go home." "No, baby, I don't want to go home." "Baby, we go home. If you're not comfortable, you're not gonna be forced or pressured to stay out here because I know you want to have a good time, but be uncomfortable. No, we go home. It is what it is." So when this weather let up a little bit, I'm gonna install that. I will do an install video, test ride, let y'all know how I feel. Y'all see the difference. I do it before and after. I'll show a picture of it before I put them seats on. Before I take the other seats off and before I put the seats on, right? And I'm so glad I got it. If you have a Ryker and you ride with your significant other regularly and you don't have the ultimate seat, I advise you to get it. The ultra, that comfort seat, the driver one is good, but even for the passenger, it's not good because it's a small seat. It's diamond shaped. So your passenger, he or she gonna be but so comfortable anyway because it's a small seat. On this ultimate seat, it's squared, it's wide, so they butt have more room, it's built more for a butt than the Ryker seat is any person. I believe even a small person after a while, that seat will hurt. Because like I said, it's diamond shaped and it's almost like a slight little hump in the middle. You know? But get that ultimate seat. It's worth the money. From what I've seen so far. I've sat on it though. And I'm gonna do it again. And I won't regret it. I know I'm not. So until next video, like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when I post videos. Share with your family and friends. And it's your boy Ryker Buff. I'm out. Ride safe. Peace.